Okay. Jay has put the peanuts and the mealworm down on the ground cover rather than the utility box. And one bird was already down and took a peanut, did not take the mealworm. And they're crawling. He's up here. I just had Jay reposition the worms because they were almost to the edge of this cover area. They're fast little crawlers. He still has not realized there's worms there. He took a peanut. There we go. Come on, there's one worm left. Come get it. Very good. He got the final worm. Okay. We're at Mr. and Mrs. Blue Jay's area. Both have been down. Mr. Blue Jay was the one who gobbled down the mealworms, but he took one up to Mrs. And happy Friday, February 28th. One more day for February this year because it's a leap year. Okay. Have Freddie and Fluffy. We're heading to their feeding area. Okay, we're at Freddie and Fluffy's feeding area. Both are here. Treats will go down. Okay. Yep, one more. Very good. Oh, no, I missed one. There's one nearer to you. You are such a good little treat eater. Oh, you missed one. And breakfast time. And I'm going to take care of refilling the water dish. Eat the good treats first. That's a boy. We're at Betty's area. And he just gobbled down the 3 that were put down for him. Okay, Brenda just came down. Very good. She's getting a little braver. we'll leave. Okay, this is Winston eating his last mealworm. Now going for Peanut. Okay, we hadn't seen Callie for several days, but she's here at the Lutheran Church today. So treats and food will be put down. She's still pregnant. I was wondering if the reason we hadn't seen her is that she'd had her litter somewhere and was tending to them. Because we really don't know where she hangs out most of the time. Okay, so she's going for the treats. Okay, we are at the front area of the park, and we have a blue jay. Have more than one. Oh, female. She's female. She just did a ratchet noise and dance. On our return trip, Holly, if she's at the Lutheran Church when we're headed to the park, isn't always here on our return trip, but today she is. Jay put down more treats for her. She's going to eat them. Good girl. Okay, we'll leave her to it. Okay, we're back at Winston's area. It didn't take him long to get down on the... Oh, look at him, just gobble it down. Are you gonna save any for your mate Clemmy? I saw her fly over. Nope, you're just gonna eat them all yourself. Oh, I may be wrong. Nope, all to himself. Let's see if Clemmy comes down. Come on, oh, she's a little more shy. We'll back up a little, give her space. That's Clemmy, the mate, for Winston. We'll leave him to it.
Thought he did one.
No. We're back to Buddy's area. Come on, Buddy, hurry up. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. Buddy again. Brenda, come on. She's just not coming down. You won't let her starve, but I just wish she would be less shy around us. He's looking for a place to bury his peanut. On our return trip, we have both Freddie and Fluffy. They didn't finish their breakfast, but Jay said they did a good job, so. Jay just put treats down for him on top of the food. Okay, we're back at Flasher's area, and he just flew from the ginkgo tree to the fence, getting ready to come down and get a peanut. Well, he can't make up his mind. Come on. Here we go. Okay, east side of Cardozo Park, we already have a crow down. Jay is getting ready to toss out the food. Here's our first customer. Is he gonna eat it right here? Good boy. Dispute. Couldn't catch up with them. He's trying to do too. He'll figure it out. Just gonna fly off with the one. Yeah, he's got his too. Come on, get a peanut. Nope. Okay. Okay, we're on the west side of Cardozo Park, and the crows are already coming in. He's got his too. Very good. Just go ahead and eat it right here. Gobbling up the Honey Nut Cheerios, and now he's taking a peanut. 2 peanuts. Oh, come on. 2's good enough. Don't go for 3. That's being greedy. You can't do it that way. And there's the seagull. Going for the Honey Nut Cheerios.